Okay, with solution sets for equations, the nice thing with these is they're not too hard. They're just going to require you to do some reading and show some extra work. So the first part is going to tell you, find the solution of the equation from the given numbers. And when they give you the numbers in the equation, they're going to put the two dots, and then they're going to give you what is called an equation, and then they're going to give you a list of numbers. Okay, so I'll give you a minute to get that written down, and then I'll show you how to solve it. Got this written down? Okay, so when you are solving these, my equation is this part right here that has the letter with an operation, the two numbers, and the equal sign. That is what is called an equation. So when you're solving these, what I want you to do is I want you to circle the letter.
That must be 2.
So what's going to happen is these other numbers they give you, you have to take each of these numbers and replace the Y with it, or whatever letter they give you. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this as 19 minus 16 equals 14. Sorry, guess what? That should be a 6. Looking at my writing and I messed up. So it should be Y minus 6 equals 14. Just cross out the 1. So if I take 19 and take away 6, am I going to get 14?
No.
19 minus 6 is what?
14. 13.
Should be 13, right? So 19 doesn't work, so I'm going to cross out the number 19.
21.
So now let's try 20. 20 minus 6, does that equal 14?
Yes.
Does everyone agree?
Yes, it does.
20 minus 6, does that equal 14?
Yes.
Alright, so I'm going to circle that one. And now I'm going to try 21 minus 6 equals 14. Does that work?
No.
No. So I'm going to cross that out. So my answer was what?
20.
20. So each of these numbers they gave me, I have to substitute it in for this letter and solve it.
Most of those problems.
Yep, you should have everything written down. Jordan, let's go.
I don't have a pencil.
Then use your pen to take notes right now. You're wasting time.
I can't.
You can use pen to take notes.
No, I can't. I can't. That's not right. What did you do?
Find
Not so.
the solution of the equation from the given numbers. And the equation we're looking at is y plus 6 equals 13. And the numbers we're looking at are 4, 5, 6, and 7. So what's the first thing I need to do? What did I do first last time? Circle the letter, because that's what we're subbing in for.
Now rewrite it.
Now you're going to have to rewrite it with each of these numbers. Even if you know what the answer is, you still have to rewrite it with each one, because tomorrow you're going to have more than one answer. There's going to be more than one possible. So that's why I want you to get in the habit of writing them all out. So we're going to take 4 plus 6 equals 13. Does 4 plus 6 equal 13?
No.
No, so I'm crossing out 4. Let's try it with 5. 5 plus 6 equals 13?
No, it's 7.
No.
I mean, it's
6 plus 6 equals 13? No. 7 plus 6 equals 13. Yes, so I circle that one. Okay. So even if you know right away which one it is, you still need to show all your work for it. Okay, I need to see you plugging in each number and solving it. Alright, questions so far? Not too bad, right? It just takes a little bit of time.
It's easy. Just take a little.
Alright, the next one, we got 2 more to do. Which of the following values from the set 4, 5, 6 makes the following expression true? So which of the following values from the set 4, 5, 6 makes the following expression true?
Is that 24?
Where?
What?
This?
Yeah.
No, it's a bracket.
Oh.
It's kind of like a parentheses, but it's a bracket. So this one, our equation that we're looking at is 6y equals 36. So whenever they write a number right next to a letter, it means times. So this is really saying 6 times y equals 36.
What do you guys do?
It's a bracket. Okay? So this 6y is really saying 6 times y.
I know what it is.
Okay? So we need to write it out. So we need to say, wait, what we gotta do before we write it? Circle the y. Okay? So now we're doing 4 times 6 equals 36. Is that true?
No.
No, so I'm crossing out 4. 5 times 6 equals 36. No. 6 times 6 equals 36. Yes, so I'm circling the 6. No questions so far?
Um,
Hey, we got one more to go over. And this one's a bit harder.
I hope it's not long.
Which of the values from the set 2, 3, 4 makes 4x minus 3 equals 13 true? So this one's a bit more complicated, so I'm going to wait for everyone to get it written down and eyes up here before we move on. Got it all written down, Adrian?
mhm.
Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to circle our letter.
The letter, right?
X is your letter. X does not mean times in this case.
Oh.
Okay? So, what this is saying though, up here we had 6 and a Y right next to each other, and we times, right?
Yes.
So here we're going to take 4 times a number, but then we're going to subtract 3 from it to see if it equals 13. So when we write these, we got to do 4 times, and I'm going to show that little dot as times because I don't want to use X anymore because X is considered a variable. So 4 times 2 minus 3 equals 13.
I know what it is.
So what's 4 times 2?
8.
Minus 3.
4.
5. So does that work?
Nope.
No. Cross out 2. Try the next one. So we've got 4 times 3 minus 3 equals 13. So 4 times 3,
Nope.
what's 4 times 3?
12.
Minus 3.
Nope.
Can't be it. Cross out the 3. So let's try 4 times 4 minus 3 equals 13.
Yes.
So what's 4 times 4?
16.
Minus 3.
13.
13. So my answer is 4. Okay? So on your paper today, I should see each one written out with each number substituted in, so I know you're doing that. Okay?
How many are we gonna do that? 5?
There's 5 questions today. Okay? Go ahead and flip to page 3 in your notes. Fill out your table of contents. Today is 12:15, and we're doing solution sets equations. And we were on whatever page you were on.
There you go. We get our thing.
Nope. I got a worksheet for you.
Oh, so we have to write it out. I'm like,